Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing TruHeight Growth Capsules, the pill version of the growth supplement, and honestly, this feels like the best scam we've seen in a while. The capsules contain similar ingredients to the gummies like collagen, vitamins, and minerals. While these support bone and joint health, they do not influence height significantly beyond what natural growth allows. During testing, we noticed no additional benefit compared to the gummies. The marketing strongly suggests height increases, but the results simply aren't there. The pros are nutritional support, convenient capsules, and clean formulation. The cons are misleading claims, no proof of real height increase, and a price tag that doesn't match the benefits. Overall, TruHeight Growth Capsules oversell themselves. They might help the general health, but they will not make you taller. This has been How to Literally Keep Me Smart and Simple and Scam Free.